Have you ever wondered how games on Roblox know what to do when you press a button, collect an item, or when your character touches something special? How does the game decide that if you do one thing, something else should happen? At the heart of all that interactive magic are if-then statements, which are fundamental to programming in Roblox using the Lua language. These statements allow your game scripts to make decisions, checking if a certain condition is true, and if so, executing a specific block of code. The core idea behind an if-then statement is surprisingly simple. It evaluates a condition, and if that condition is met, the script performs a designated action. Think of it like a choose-your-own-adventure story. If the monster appears, then you can attack. If your health is low, then you might use a potion. This decision-making process is what makes your Roblox experiences dynamic and responsive to player actions and game states. To use them, you typically start with the word if, followed by your condition, then the word then. What follows are the lines of code that run only when your condition is true. For example, you might write if a player's score is greater than 100 then, and then add a line that awards them a badge. You can also add an else-if clause to check another condition if the first one was false, or an else clause to run code if none of the preceding conditions were met. Remember to always end your if block with the word end, signaling where the decision-making finishes. A practical tip for writing clear if-then statements is to always think about the Boolean values, true or false. Conditions like is the player touching this part, or is the time of day past sunset, will always evaluate to either true or false. This direct true or false outcome makes the script's decision process very straightforward. Also, proper indentation of your code within the if-then block makes it much easier to read and debug, a habit you should definitely adopt early on. By mastering if-then statements, you gain the power to create truly interactive and engaging Roblox experiences. You are not just building worlds, you are programming the rules and reactions within them, allowing your creations to respond intelligently to players and events, making your games feel alive and exciting.